This is a TCL Roku remote, and it comes with the TV. If you lose it, you can always get another one on Amazon. And this is what it looks like. The batteries go back here. This is your volume up and down, and this is your mute button right there. So you got volume up and down here, right? And then your power button is right here. So let's go ahead and we'll just press that power button, right? And that turns the TV on. And so we just wait and you'll see it comes on. There it is. And so it takes us right to the home page. And this up here, if you look at it, you see that little house? That tells you that's your home page, all right? But we're on the home page because it just opened up to that. So now if I want to navigate on this home page, if you look, see it says home right there. If I want to navigate, what I would do is I could go right, I could go left, I could go up, and I can go down. Right now I can't really go up, but I can go left to the right. I don't know if I can go to the left. Let's see if I did left. Nothing, right? Because it's already to the left. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press right. So watch this. So now it's moved over. You see how that highlighted? And again, it highlighted. I do it one more time, I'm there. Now let's say I want to go down to, I don't know, Netflix, right? So I would get on the remote to the down button, and when I click it, you're going to see it drop. You see how it went to the satellite, then it's going to Prime, right? And I click it again, and I got to find the app that I want, right? Let's say it's Netflix. So I want to get Netflix, right? Once I'm on the app that I want, let's say I didn't want to do Netflix, I wanted to do Apple TV. I click over there, bam, I'm on Apple TV. And then I'm like, I'm going to go back to Netflix. Let's see, so you can go, left, right, up, and down. Or let's say I want to go back up. I would just click on this up button, and it would take me to whatever I'm looking for. But let's go ahead, we'll just open up Netflix, right? Here we go, and press it. So this is the press button that you choose with. You want to click that center. Now, if you notice, it's asking me to log in. So I'm just going to log in by pressing that. And you can see that this green thing right here that says Tom, I need to go ahead and pick that. So I'm going to go, it's highlighted. So when I press this, that's the person who's going to be using it. So I click that, and now it opens up, and here we are. We're on a, looks like they're advertising a new TV show. So let's say I want to go down into the menu, right? So what I got to do is click here, and then you can see the menus moving down. And then let's say I get to one area and I want to get a movie. So I'm going to go to the right. I click over. Let's say I wanted to do this movie here. I don't know what it is. Altered Carbon. And then I'm like, I didn't want to see that. I'm going to go back. So I go over here and I'm looking at Preacher. If I wanted to do that movie, I just press here. All right, so now this movie's going to come on. Now I'm going to mute it, right? So when I mute it, you can see it comes up over here. And if I click that, you can see that I'm getting this mute signal. So the way I did that was I pressed this. Watch, I'll press it again. And it comes up and I can see I have sound. And then I'm going to mute it. And then you can see the mute sign. So that's how that works. So now it says episode 1. So if I wanted to watch it, I would just click this center part. Bam. So now it's going to come on, right? And we have to give it a second or two. And it's AMC original, whatever. So now we can use some of these other buttons, okay? So let's say you want it to stop it right here. You could press this pause button right there. Watch, I'll stop it. And when I do, it brings up this timeline at the bottom. And in here, you can navigate to English by pressing down, or you could put subtitles on it by pressing down, right? But let's say we want it to fast forward it. I would just click here, watch. And you can see how it's moving forward. And if you look on here, you're going to see that red line too. Now, if I want to go backwards, I would click here. You follows me? And if I'm good with it, I would just come back and click either the pause button or the center button. So if I press the pause button, it's going to start playing again, right? Bam, there it goes. I'm watching the movie, but I missed 10 seconds of it. So if I press right here, it's going to go back 10 seconds. Watch. See? It's going back 10 seconds. Let's say I want to go again. I could keep pressing it, and I can do multiple times backwards. All right, so that's pretty cool, right? Now, another way that you can fast forward is if you press this, right? And then I just go this way. I press this button here. It's the same thing, right? If I press this button, watch. It goes forward. Let's say I press this one. I press it, watch, it'll go backwards. And then I can stop it here. All right, so you guys, you can use this to go backwards or this one to go forward, and it will go fast. So if I stop it, right? Let's stop it. Timeline comes up, right? Then I click this. Now, depending, if I click it once, it moves kind of slow. I click it twice, it goes faster. And then if I hit here, it stops. Now to go backwards, I do the exact same thing, but with the other button. Right here, if I can get it to focus. It doesn't want to focus on that. All right, here we go. Now if I want to go back, oh shit, it's still focusing on this guy. All right, hang on, let me go backwards. So I'm going to go backwards. You ready? Click it once. Click it twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now it even goes faster, 5 times. So it speeds up, right? It'll take me all the way back to the beginning. And then I could hit stop or play. All right, now if I want to go back to the previous page, I could go like this, watch. All right, if I hit this arrow here, it takes me backwards. And that was the start page, right? I click it again, it's going to take me to this page here. I click it again, it's going to take me to here. So that's it. Bam, done. Bob's your uncle. Okay, so anyway, let's say you're in here and you're in your Netflix, but now you're thinking you don't want to watch Netflix. You want to go back to your home page. If you look right here at the very top, that's your home button. When I press that, it takes me back to the home page. Watch. See that? Here we are. We're on the home page. This is your left map. You can go to different things on here. Like if I navigate down, you can see all these different things. You see that? Navigate up. You know, that's the home page. Whenever you want to go to home, just click that. It brings you back to this page here. You see that? But anyway, that's basically the basic functions of this. Then to turn off your TV, you just hit this. And bam, it goes off. And bam, Bob's your uncle. Yeah, that's it.